How to add videos in Canva PC. First of all, open Canva and make sure you are logged in. Open the project or design where you want to add a video or create a new project by clicking the Create a Design button and selecting Video. Once your project opens, go to the left-hand panel and click on Uploads. Here you can upload your own video files from your PC by selecting Upload Media and choosing the video file you want to add. After your video is uploaded, click on it and drag it directly onto your canvas. You can resize, reposition or rotate the video to fit your design perfectly. You can also browse Canva's built-in video library by clicking on Design on the left panel. Search for specific video clips by keyword, browse trending clips or select from free and premium options. Click or drag the clip to add it to your project. Once the video is on your canvas, you can trim it, adjust the volume, add filter, or apply animation effects to make it more engaging. Now you know how to add videos in Canva. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more editing tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.